Dogecoin in the recent days, weeks, and even months has had a very rocky road. Okay. And now this is not a lack of the Dogecoin community. This is not a blasting of the Dogecoin community. Doge Army, you guys are great. I'm part of the Doge Army, but I do want to share with you guys right here in this video that a little bit about some indicators, because it is not intended to be FUD by any stretch of imagination, but Dogecoin has a pretty rough road ahead if they do not find any mainstay utility. So there's a few indicators on the chart I want to share with you guys because, I hate doing just constantly, where's the price headed? You guys want to know where's the price headed? I do not provide financial advice. Please do your own due diligence with all things crypto, all things financial. I'm just sharing you guys some indicators that I'm using for my own personal investing with my crypto. And I just want to share with you in this video what I'm actually seeing, because this is all relative, because Dogecoin is continuing its quest for finding that real mainstay utility to kind of separate themselves from other meme coins. Okay, so that's what I have for you in this video. You're going to want to stick around. Absolutely, please consider subscribing if you have not joined us here at Not Your Father's Capital, as well as smashing the like button. I appreciate you all, and let's get down into it. All right, briefly, I'm going to show you guys what the chart is looking like. If we look outside of the favorites and go into the top 100, it is a sea of red, guys, on the day. And I hate to say it, but that is something where, it does need pointed out, because there are not always sunny days in crypto. All right, Dogecoin down 4.5% at the time of this recording, trading hands at that 0.738 level. So kind of holding decently steady in comparison to some of the other losers on the day. Still ranked in the top 10, okay, in total market capitalization. But let's look further into what these indicators are showing, because Doge is at risk of breaking through a support level. And obviously, when you lose some support lines, traders, some kind of systematic algorithms, they automatically will sell off. Okay, people will liquidate positions, they will sense blood in the water and exit those positions. Okay, so judging by the RSI, also when you suggest the RSI data is saying something, basically you can continue to observe, but it will also tell you if something is being oversold or overbought. All right, but basically, this is where the RSI readings right here, right now, are suggesting that a breakdown is likely to occur further. Okay, and this is where, Doge and where a community, and this is why I don't put the end all be all and all my stock into TA, is because with a community crypto, when you have really no TA to stand on, the community is number one. And that is where something where you get the whales in line, you get strong believers in Dogecoin, they could bust through any technical analysis I can provide you. That is just the cold hard facts. There has not been enough data, nothing supportive enough to fully dive in and just use the TA as gospel, just because of how volatile crypto is and the lack of time that it has been around. Okay, that's just my own personal thought. But basically, the longer term view of Dogecoin, we're risking breaking out of basically this ascending support line that's been basically here since June of 2022, and you can see that right here as we have this going on with this ascending support line. Okay, now this is basically the fourth time that we've hit this line, and indicating also that every time we have, Dogecoin has broken down farther. All right, so that is what's alarming for me, just because the RSI continues to stay bearish, and these four times of hitting the ascending support line, we have broken down. And that's just kind of troublesome for me to have a long-term outlook for Dogecoin, because if you look right here, right now, when we have that absolute breakout back in almost November 2022, this correlated with the time frame with Elon Musk and the Twitter news. Okay, so this is what one little piece of news can act as a catalyst for Dogecoin. Okay, just absolutely wrecking the chart. But furthermore, when we have these breakdowns just with no real catalyst, and we're just bouncing off of Bitcoin moving or bouncing off of Elon Musk's tweets, or just basically the overall macro trend of crypto and the overall markets, that's something that's very alarming. Okay, so if you're in Doge for the long term, that is great. If you're looking to swing Doge, I just wanted to present some material for you guys to use on your own. But basically, this is where we are seeing the possibility of Dogecoin breaking down. All right, and this is just resembling further what we're seeing is an ABC structure right here. Okay, and that is basically a corrective structure indicating more bearish trends ahead. Okay, so we are still in the bear market. We are in bad RSI, and we are seeing basically an ABC structure being more bearishly dominant. Okay, so that is something where you have three things just absolutely shouting that Dogecoin could be breaking down. And the only thing that can come to the rescue of Dogecoin is the community and obviously the Doge father, Elon Musk, because I do think that the Twitter monetization is basically going to be the backbone for Dogecoin in 2023. It's what I'm looking for as an investor of Doge, and I'm kind of banking on it, to be honest, because for a couple of years now, we have not really had that true catalyst for Doge, and it's troublesome. So that's what I got for you guys in this video. I hope you enjoyed this content. Stay vigilant out there with your trading. Stay safe, and remember to subscribe on your way out. I appreciate you all for stopping by, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks, guys.